Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix Telegram bot not working. To fix the issue, first go to settings. After that scroll down and then go to apps. Now go to Telegram or you can search it. Open. Now scroll down. Go to storage. On the bottom left click on clear cache. Click on back. Now click on force stop. OK, and then scroll up, click on battery and then select the optimized. Back, click on set as default and click on open supported link. Click on enable it. Back, and then permission, just click on that. Now you need to give the all permission. After that go to Play Store and update the Telegram app, and finally restart your phone.